Got the struts put together. They're ready to go in. A new lock here for the steering, so I got that tightened up. The struts go up through here, of course, up through the triple tree, and so I got that cleaned up. I took a file first because there's some paint and rust, so I took a file to it. Then I did sandpaper, and now I got a little bit of white grease in there, so it's ready to go. The top of the triple tree is over there getting painted. It's a little rusty, so I'm just putting some paint on that. And I got the wheel put together here, the brakes. So got new brake shoes there, grease on the seal, and then the drive gear for the speedometer, and everything all cleaned up in there. So and that's all working, and the axle's ready to go, so it's all ready to go together. Got some new shocks, but they're a little bit shorter and smaller diameter, so I think I might have got a little, not ripped off I guess, but cheaped out a little bit for the shocks, so I don't know, I'll see how they go. Of course they come from China or Indonesia somewhere, so I don't know how this is going to work out, but they're a little bit shorter, smaller, so I don't know. I'll have to try them, I guess, see if they can handle the weight. I mean, these are pretty skookum for 2 people, but I won't be riding 2 people on this, so I'll have to give these a test, and yeah, if I'm not happy with them, I'll do something else. But oh well, that's it. And also I had some mirrors come, but they were square. I ordered round ones, but they were square. So they're sending me some new ones. Here we got our adjusters. I got a rear wheel again. I need some brake shoes for this one. This one's wore out. I'm going to put it together for now without it. So I'll probably have the wheel off again. So I got these brake shoes. They were just like, they're from China, and they're like $10, so way cheap. Anyways, I'm gonna order some more of those. And we got the sprocket and drive gear in there. 47, I think, is gear teeth. 47 to 14. And and I think it's 102 lengths. Anyways, so I'm just going to get the rear axle all ready to go. Here's the front shoes I took off. They're all full of grease and oil and stuff, so they're all contaminated, the shoe material. So
So I tried to suspend the rear of the frame from the ceiling, and as seen there, my first attempt didn't go well. My little setup fell from the ceiling, so I had to try something different and to get the frame up high enough so I can put on the center stand. So I attempt to install the front wheel, and when I get it up in place, I realize, oops, I got the left and right shock actually on the wrong side. So I had a 50-50 chance of getting it right, and of course Murphy's Law, I got it wrong the first time, so I just take it apart again and switch over the fork tubes, or the forks. After the wheel was installed, I needed to adjust the height of the fork tubes, so I had to sit on the frame, compress the spring a bit so the tubes would come up in place, then I can tighten the clamps to hold the tubes, put on the top of the steering mechanism there, adjust the steering bearing, and everything lined up really well.